out here riding. They out here tripping, man. So I'm gonna get behind the gate a little bit. They out here fighting, do all types of shit. Hey, hit that like button for me real quick. Share the stream. Out here with guns and shit. They out here fighting. Sure, with the group to the left. They all just got down right here in the street, right here. They all ran. They all ran from here squabbing. Here go this group right here. Man, I can't believe they came out of Hart's Plaza like that. God, dog, it looked like a women, like, you know, it looked crazy. I was like, what the fuck am I seeing? Because I had my head down trying to get the stream back up. It would not come up. It would not come up. The app wouldn't open up. And I looked up and I said, damn, it looked like, can't be. Sure enough. A whole bunch of dudes squabbing. I say at least it was like 25, just blah, blah, blah. But it was like a fight. And they were running and fighting and hitting and fighting and running and fighting because the police was behind their ass. Oh, look at these bikes. Man. Love motorcycles. The internet just erupted. It erupted once they started getting to the end. Of course, everybody was on their Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The internet had a overload. Yes, sir. It's a trip. If you look at the news, they said they were putting a curfew in place for this night. How can I tell? It's young people everywhere. Man, I think we caught the end of it, like the end of the show, like from where the internet broke up. But man, that was awesome. Oh man. Well, I'll tell y'all this before I let y'all go, man. I had a good night, and I'm glad I was able to share this with you guys. It's been great because I've been on the east and west side of Detroit in the neighborhood, right? And oh my God, you know, I got so many good videos to put out, you know, like. But in real life, when you out there shooting those videos, like recording it, and you seeing the desecration and the badness and the struggle, you know what I mean? It's like when you seeing it, it's depressing in real life time. Let me just say this about the videos I've been making and the hoods I've been like cutting through and turn here in this corner. It's depressing. It's like a what the you know what I mean moment. So from Skid Row to Figueroa to Detroit, and then I'm trying to go do Kensington Avenue in Philadelphia. It's just like everything I'm filming is trauma. I think the best videos I'm making right now, I'm just trying to give you a little insight because I don't talk to you guys much, right? The best editing I'm doing, that's when like I watch the video for 8 minutes and some change and I'm like, whoa, you know? Like it's not like it's even me filming it, you know? But in person it's like, what the hell, you know? Every block I hit, it just keeps making you want to hit more and more and more and more and more. People are really suffering, man, from Skid Row to Kensington. Besides watching a lot of traveling streams from Brazil, and I mean, I'm still watching the same stuff that I'm attracted to, you know what I mean? The bad parts of Brazil, the bad parts of Jamaica, the bad parts of Africa, the bad parts of Colombia. We have YouTubers actually from Miami. There's a host of them. I think one is from Chicago, one is from New York, and there's 2 white dudes from South Africa. Brazil, Haiti. Man. know, I like that shit, man. I like that shit that I'm filming. It's like a real what the fuck moment when you're there. It's like, is this America? I can't believe it. But I've never been so, I don't know what you guys are getting out of it. I don't know where it's going to go. I don't watch my views. I don't watch my videos after I post them. Once I cut a video, I mean, I don't, when I was cutting the Skid Row videos, wasn't watching them. Every one of the Figueroa videos, I never watched them over as I made them. Every Detroit video, I then took the time to watch it for whatever seconds I'm going to make this cut for 2 minutes, the next cut for a minute, the next cut for 3 minutes, the next cut for 2 minutes, the next month. I watch each cut carefully. And then once I'm done editing the video, I run it and watch the whole 8 minutes. And sometimes there's been times where I done watched it again. This is before I put it on YouTube. I'm actually having so much fun. I'm actually having so much fun with the editing and the rewatching my work. I don't know where it's going to go. It could catch and people could see it, and it could blow up, or it could just be a stalemate. But I just want to tell you, by me coming out my house, coming to the east and west side of Detroit, and filming it, being there in real time, capturing more that the video can capture, because it only gets the front of my car, not the left or the right. I'm having so much fun with just editing. You just don't even know. I upgraded my system. I built my system. And you just sit there and you get the coffee and you kick Cheetah a little bit. Kick him this way, kick him that way. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I am going to keep both of these videos up. I came here for a very good reason. It's because it was something I wanted to see, and I just shared it with you guys. I hope you guys have a great night. Hey, man, I can't say it enough. I can't say it enough. Wow, only in America, man. I clean the Kensington Avenue in Philadelphia. I have maybe about like 6 YouTubers. 6. 3 of them are doing interviews. And like the other, no, it's about 7. And this stuff should be brought to attention about what's really going on in some of these communities. So I don't know where my videos are going to go in that category with some of the people that are doing it, but I really like that I'm bringing the insight to it. All right, you guys, I'm going to end this video. You guys have a great night, and yeah, talk to you guys later, man. Peace out from Detroit. Oh, make sure you try to subscribe to Reg Incognito, because what I got a plan to try to do is to do a desktop stream soon. So make sure you guys subscribe to Reg Incognito. Reg Incognito. Try to subscribe to that channel. My desktop connection to the streaming is just all shut down. It looks good, but it's all like I tore it down. Like, you know, separated the app from, you know, the internet and all the windows and stuff like that. So I'm going to go home and put it together maybe tomorrow, not tonight. And I'm gonna do a live stream just to mess with it. You know what I mean? Got new cameras, got new mic, got new chair, got new table, got new computer. Yeah. All right, you guys. Peace out, y'all. Have a good night.